an earthquake! Doo-doo engineering fleet, let's go to the rescue! No problem. Leave it to me.
The little panda was crushed by a tree! He needs help! Let's move the big tree! Yeah! Yay! We rescued the little panda! Mimi is trapped in the basement. She needs our help. Clean up the rocks. Inflate the safety cushion. Send the survival kit to the basement. Put on the life-saving equipment for Mimi. Rotate the winch to send Mimi to the ground. I'm finally out of danger. Thank you, Doo-doo Engineering Fleet. Post-earthquake housing construction.
The house is badly damaged. Doo-doo engineering fleet, can you help me rebuild the house?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Dig the foundation. Foundation is done!
I am Mixer Truck. I can make concrete.
Add some sand. Add some cement. Add some water. Turn on the switch. Turn on the switch. Lay concrete on the ground.
Now all the rescue work is done. Thank you, Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet.